Hello friends, once again welcome back to another video. I think you will be fit and fine. And this is the afternoon of Malaysia. You can see this video is going to be very useful for those candidates who want to join Merchant Navy, because in this video I am going to explain in details everything about Merchant Navy and what all topics I am going to cover in this video. We are going to cover 4 points in Merchant Navy, which is very useful for fresher. First point is that is Merchant Navy best career option or not, and second point is that why I am making this video. Third point is that how many departments are there in Merchant Navy. Fourth point is that which department is the best for you. Everything you will get to know in this video. If you are a fresher, then this video is going to be useful for you. If already you have joined Merchant Navy, then this video is not useful for you, useless for you. Stop watching video if already you have joined Merchant Navy. So let's start. Is Merchant Navy best option or not? This question is asked by so many candidates, especially for those candidates who have completed their 10+2 and want to join Merchant Navy. First, I would like to ask one question. If you are able to reply yes, then Merchant Navy is the best career option for you. If you are not able to reply, then Merchant Navy is not for you. Do something else. The question is that, are you hungry? I am not talking about food. I am talking about, do you want to do something in your life? Do you want to earn so much money in life? Do you want to visit all over the world? Are you ready to hard work in every situation? Are you ready to sacrifice so many things? If your answer is yes, then Merchant Navy is for you. But remember, when you will be on ship, then you can't celebrate any you cannot celebrate any festival with your family, and you cannot attend any weddings, birthday, nothing. You have to sacrifice everything. These things you have to sacrifice. If you cannot sacrifice all these things, then Merchant Navy is not for you. Let's come to next point. Why I am making this video? I think before making any video, every creator think what video I am making is going to useful or not. The reason is very much clear to making this video, because for 2 years I have been sailing in Merchant Navy, and I have seen 2 or 3 candidates who switch engine to deck and deck to engine. Why they switch? Because they don't have knowledge what we have to do on ship in engine side and what we have to do on deck side, and they don't know pros and cons. That's why they switch, and their friend told them engine side is good for you and deck side is good for you. When they go on ship in engine side, then they fail. I am not suitable in engine side because here is so hot and here is so noise. Then they switch deck side, and some candidates go on deck side and they feel I am not satisfied with deck side. Then they switch engine side, because when you go engine side, then you will learn so much about about pump and pump motor and engines. You will learn some technical knowledge. I think no one can tell you engine side or deck side is for you. Only you can decide. According to your interest, according to your choice. Whatever you like, you go. If you like deck side, you should go deck side. If you like engine side, you go engine side. If anyone is saying only engine side good for you, it is not true. If you are interested deck side, it is not right. You should go. I think if you are interested deck side, you should go deck side. And third point is that how many departments are there in Merchant Navy? There are 4 departments. First is deck department, second is deck department, engine department, and third is ATO department, electrical, and fourth is galley department. Let's know what is the deck department. Deck department means main deck where you work in open air, means from where you can see the whole world, and you know everything about ship, where is ship now, and you enjoyed and you see the whole world, and this is very important to know. First time when you go on ship, what work you have to do. When first time you go on ship, then you have to do whatever your senior brief or the tell, like it can be chipping, painting, cleanings, and mooring operations. Mooring operations means when your ship goes to any other ships alongside or jetty alongside, then you have to pass rope so that your ship can be hold one place. That is the mooring operation. When you join deck side, you become captain who navigate the whole ship, who is the in charge of whole ship. This is all about deck department. And let's know engine department. What is the engine department? Engine department like a closed space, means there will be so many machineries. You have to take care all machineries on time to time. You have to take pressure, temperature, and if anywhere oil leakage, you have to inform seniors. And first time when you go on ship, what you have to do, whatever your senior will tell you, it can be chipping, painting, cleaning, and assisting officers whenever any machinery are being repaired. You have to assist your senior. Ask you to bring spanner, hammer, you have to assist. This is the work. I think some candidates still they did not understand. Let's understand another example. If we take a and room where you sleep, like engine is a room where there will be so many machineries. You have to take care, and there you have to work. Like in a room you have to work. As you come out from room and you saw the world, and you saw the world, that is the deck. In engine room you take air by fan, like in engine room. In engine room every time, so many times there will be so much noise and so much hot. You have to work. That's why so many candidates don't like engine room. This is the reason they switch engine to deck. This is all about deck and engine. So many candidates want to join merchant navy, but be aware, because nowadays happening so much fraud in merchant navy. And if you want to join, first you have to clear which side you want to join, and what is the best way and what is the best courses you should do. So you should do, if you are interested in deck side, then you should do DNS or the BSc Nautical Science. And one course is also there, GP rating, but I will not recommend you to do GP rating, because GP rating is the rating course, and DNS and BSc Nautical Science is the officer course, means direct you go on ship as a officer, means on ship officer salary are high. That's why I am recommending you to do DNS or BSc Nautical Science. If you are interested in deck side, then you should do BTech Marine Engineering, and this is also good course, but don't do these courses that institute where you will not get placement. Please, before joining Merchant Navy, go on Google and search which is the best institute where you will get placement, because nowadays so many candidates have completed their courses but they did not get job, and for the job they have to extra pay 5 to 6 lakh agent. I think this is the bad thing. Before joining Merchant Navy, go on Google and see which is the best institute, and you can also talk to institute. Just if you will say I want to join Merchant Navy, they will guide you, yeah, these courses you should do and what courses you should do, everything they will guide you in this way. Please don't if you don't have knowledge, please don't go through agent, because if you will go any institute through agent, you will be very bothered. Let's come to next department. Next department is ETO department. So many candidates have completed their polytechnic and want to join Merchant Navy, and they can do ETO course. This is the 3 or 4 months, and I think nowadays ETO requirement is everywhere. Whether on ship, whether on land. When you go on ship, you will earn so much money, and when you come back home, you will also earn money. If after some time you don't like Merchant Navy, you can quit, and you will also get job on land. I think in Merchant Navy ETO is the best option, and if you join Merchant Navy deck side or engine side, I think it is difficult to get job, but through ETO you will get everywhere job. And next point is galley department. If you are interested in galley department, then there is a course. That course name is CCMC, and the course duration is around 6 months, and I think on ship galley department is very difficult, because they have to prepare every time, every day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I think this is the most difficult work on ship. If you are interested, you can join. I think you will have clear everything. If still you have any queries, so please tell me in the comment box. I will reply you, and please join right way and good institute where you will get placement. And let's meet next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.